Many people are told to drink 8 glasses of water every day. But do you really need to do this? It's simply a myth. Stop drinking 8-ounce glasses of water a day. This is a popular and deeply held myth that we should all be drinking more water for more health benefits. There are a growing number of smartphone apps that track water intake during the day and provide automatic reminders to those falling behind. The widespread advice to drink 8-ounce glasses of water per day lacks evidence. In fact, that tip was popularized by a widely known weight loss program, but there is even no medical evidence that it helps with weight loss. Drink only if you're thirsty, and never feel as if you have to force yourself to drink more. If you exercise regularly, you need to drink more to replenish what you've lost in sweat. Some medical conditions like kidney stones mean that you should drink more. Discuss those with your doctor. If you drink more, you will have to go to the bathroom more. Save yourself the time and worry, and just drink when your body tells you. Here are the common myths about drinking 8-glass water daily. Number 1. Water helps dry skin. Dry skin is a deficiency of vitamin A, that's in the skin and the eyes. Your body will dry out when it doesn't have the oils in the fat, not the water. Same matter is with your joints. Your joints are lubricated. Your skin is lubricated and it will look young when you have oil and fat. People that drink the most water are actually the most dehydrated because of the difference in electrolytes. Hyponatremia is a condition where you can get really sick or even die due to drinking too much water. It flushes out all the electrolytes and swells the cells. Because cells have no electrolytes to mobilize the fluid, even your brain will swell. You can have a coma, a heart attack, enlarged liver or seizures. Number 2. Water flushes out fat. So you need to drink more water because it helps you with losing weight. There's never been one person that lost even an ounce of fat by drinking more water. It's a myth. You can't lose weight by drinking more water because fat is soluble. Fat is not water soluble. It does not dissolve by pouring more water onto it. If you take a slab of fatty bacon and pour water and shake it up, it does not dissolve. People believe that by drinking more water they are going to eat less calories because they'll get less hungry. Number 3. Water flushes out toxins. Toxins are not water soluble. Like pesticides, insecticides, and herbicides, drugs, they're all fat soluble. So it's not going to flush anything out. It is going to get stuck in the fat. Drinking more water is not going to flush those out. A lot of foods contain water, which helps us meet this threshold, and few of us are in danger of becoming dehydrated. The body has a highly sophisticated regulatory system that monitors hydration and then sends you a message to drink when you need to. Number 4. To 60% of the body is water. It's not true. In fact, not 1 millimeter of your body is pure water. It's all electrolyte fluids. Your blood, liver, and urine, all these fluids are electrolytes that are minerals. It's sodium, potassium, calcium, and a lot of other stuff in these fluids. It's not just pure water. Number 5. The body doesn't know when it's thirsty. Your body does know when it's thirsty. You can perceive thirst, hunger, hot and cold temperature. You can perceive a lot of things. You have 52 perceptions of perceiving a lot of stuff. When you feel thirsty, drink some water. You can trust your body. Unless you have kidney stones or are elderly. Sometimes, our messaging systems get a little worn with age, or your doctor has told you otherwise. Constantly monitoring how much water you drink is not really necessary. Your body adjusts to maintain a natural balance. Just make sure only to drink when you're thirsty. Another easy way to check your hydration status is by the color of your urine. Urine should be a pale yellow color, perhaps like that of a common sticky note. Urine does not need to be clear like water. There are some vitamins, such as B complex, and foods that can change the color of your urine, but don't feel pressured to have it be very pale or clear. Water is a good, healthy option for what to drink, you just don't need to force it. Instead, drink water to replace a high-calorie beverage such as regular soda pop. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share this video to help us bring you more exciting stuff.